All right, we're starting off with 2 bags of our diced potatoes. All right, and we're just gonna flatten that out on our sheet pan, just like so. Perfect. Next, I'm coming in with my smoked sausage, and I already cut this up, so we're gonna go ahead and just throw them on there. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious dinner, lunch, breakfast, whatever you wanna make it for. It's good for any occasion. I love making a big pan of this and having the leftovers in my fridge for meal prep. It's so delicious, so easy, and everyone that I make it for absolutely loves it. All right, and now I cooked a whole package of bacon, and we're just gonna cut our bacon right up in there. Yeah. Okay. And you can use turkey bacon if you want it to be a little bit healthier, but I found this bacon on sale for only $2.50, and it's like the organic bacon, so I was so excited about my find. And we're gonna use this whole package of bacon, just cutting it up into smaller crumbles onto our sheet pan. We have our potatoes, we have our meats. What is not to love? Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go ahead and finish cutting these up so we can get this cooking. All right, we're just finishing up cutting our whole package of bacon right onto our sheet pan. Perfect. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Next, I'm coming in with my olive oil. You can use butter if you don't want olive oil, but olive oil is a little bit healthier, which is why I opted for it. And we're gonna drizzle our entire sheet pan with a nice coat of olive oil. This will help crisp up those potatoes. It will help our seasoning stick and just add some great flavor. And yes, I did mention seasoning, so we're gonna start off with some smoked paprika. You can use regular paprika if you don't have smoked, but I love the smoked flavor. And we're just gonna get a nice little dusting of that. We wanna make sure to season this very well because it is a large sheet pan. Of course, I'm doing some garlic powder. Let me know what seasonings you guys would use. You can add some onion powder, you can add some Italian seasoning. You can really customize this to your liking with the seasonings that you use. All right, that garlic powder smells delicious. And these are potatoes, so it would be a crime not to put some salt on there. And we're just gonna do a nice light dusting of our salt on there. Beautiful. And last but not least, salt's best friend, black pepper. And we're gonna get some good black pepper on there, a nice little spice, nice little kick. Beautiful.
That's my favorite band.
All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and bring back my spatula, and we're gonna kind of just toss this all on our sheet pan. You can do this all in a bowl and then dump it, but I just find this to be so much easier. You can even put some gloves on and toss it with some gloves. However you like to mix your things, just go for it as long as it gets nice and coated. All right, that looks absolutely delicious. Now, of course, there's one thing missing, right, babe?
Yes, my favorite thing.
Cheese time. So we have some mild cheddar cheese, and we're just gonna grab our cheese grater and we're gonna grate some cheese right on top of the entire sheet pan. You can do as little or as much as you like. All right, I think that's good for the cheddar. Next, we're gonna come in with our mozzarella cheese. Cheddar and mozzarella doesn't get any better than that. And we're just gonna do the same thing that we did with the cheddar, but with the mozzarella. Okay, I think that looks absolutely perfect. All right, now this is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna be in there for about 50 minutes. Oh my, this smells absolutely incredible. Okay, so it was in there for 45 minutes, but I think it would still be fine for 50. But look how delicious that looks.
Yum.
All right, it's time to dig in. Oh my goodness. That looks absolutely delicious, you guys. The sausage, the bacon, the potatoes. I'm so excited.
I'm probably gonna eat this whole thing.
Oh yeah, if you don't, I am. Oh, look at that nice little sear on that sausage.